Welcome back, students. So we were doing the chalcolithic age and its main features. So now we start with occupation. So in this particular age, farming became one of the main occupations. So other weavers made clothes by using fine threads like cotton, flax, wool and silk by spinning wheel, because the wheel has already been, they have already invented it. So, and they perfected the art of making clothes by animal skin. And we have discussed it that bone needles were used in stitching garments. Animal herding, fishing, hunting, masonry, pottery were other occupation, because now they had started taking interest in all this, and now they started thinking what else could be done. So barter system, we have talked earlier also. Exchange of goods or items were again very popular, because they had started producing a large number of goods in this age, and for then they started the exchange of these goods. So barter system prevailed over a period of time. It became very popular. The use of wheel was another remarkable change, a remarkable thing. Wheel was largely used in making carts or wagons for rolling them out. It was also used to turn the spindle by fixing a pin in the spinning wheel. So this was another for transportation and many other things. This uh, wheel played a very important role. Sailboats were used for traveling from one place to another in this particular age. Invention of sailboat was also done here, and it made it possible to cross rivers, lakes and go to far off places, and hence their occupation there, they could sell there, or they could do barter system of goods to a far places were also possible. And religion, like in the Neolithic age, these people also continue to worship gods, nature gods like the sun, the moon, the rain, the sky in this age, and performed rituals and ceremonies to appease them, to please them. So this, here we end the chapter. Please go through the chapter very carefully, mark out the important lines as I have done in the book, and in a day or two you would be getting your question and answers. Please copy them neatly in your notebook. Please go through the chapters, learn the spellings and mark out the important section. Go to the Let's Replay box, which will be of great help to you, because it summarizes the chapter for you. Do solve the answers, the objective answers. Thank you.